Hello, it's Lewis from Team Cycles and welcome to a video of how to fix it yourself. Quite a common thing we find in store is the SRAM 12-speed T-Type with a slack chain. Could be riding for 6 months, could be riding for 6 weeks. This can happen occasionally. One quick easy fix, and you guys can do it at home. You need 2 Allen keys, both an 8mm and a 5 or a 6mm, depending on the size of your rear axle. So nice and easy thing to do. As you can see from here, it's very slack, it hasn't got tension. Now, your rear mechanism has actually got a setting for you to make this work correctly. And if you look on your cassette, there is a red band on gear number 7, and that is the tension setup gear that you need to be in. So first thing you want to do is make sure that the gear is in 7th gear, and you can see that by the allocation of the red ring, and then we can move on. So once it's in gear 7, which is your tension setting gear, you want to loosen your axle. So now that's loose, don't need to take them all the way out. Move back on the other side. So now we've loosened the axle, you want to loosen the fixing bolt on your T-Type derailleur. Just so it's loose, you haven't got to take them all the way out. So you have a tension setting on your derailleur, so there's a little red button just here. So you want to pull the derailleur down until you get about halfway, push the button in, and that's set that up ready to set the tension. So the next step, nice and easy, is to pull the derailleur back. Once it's in your setting gear number 7, you've got your setting set on your derailleur, and it's easy as getting yourself a torque wrench, 35 Newton meters, and what we're going to do is crank that fixing bolt up to the correct torque. Before you do that, all you want to do is grab the bottom of your cage, pull the chain all the way back until it's nice and taut, and whilst you're doing that, you want to crank that bolt up to 35 Newton meters. Just do it again to make sure. Job done. Push the hanger back down until you hear a click, let go, and tension set. And just like that, your chain's nice and tight. And that's how you correct the tension on your T-Type derailleur. See you in the next video.